De Puerto Rico, esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupe Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja, que gocen. ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, 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 para siempre. Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupe Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, 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 para siempre.
I think this is the type of tree that the iguanas love to eat from. These birds seem to love it too. Little guys got nests up there too. They're feisty, they don't play around with their nests. They'll mess me up if I get too close. But yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this beach. We're about to kill it. All I can see is flat. I mean, and the boat's coming in. That's the boat we're about to go out on the water in. about to try to catch some sardines right now. I think I saw some over here earlier. We need some live sardines. Live sardines, we're bringing home monsters if we catch some live sardines.
Right there. They're right there in front of us.
I don't see anything.
Watch, you don't snack the weights on the...
Yeah.
Both stern and they're right there.
Where?
Behind you.
I don't see any back here though. Maybe a little further in. I see some dark spots. Yeah. They were highly visible. So calm. This is crazy. Tiniest baby. Yeah, I think that's a lane snapper. I don't think fish eat those fish as bait like that. I don't know. Like maybe groupers or so? Maybe cut bait, like with the blood and stuff.
It went behind the tank. I think it... It jumped up and went behind the tank. Mainly with the crab.
What, the crab you're talking about? Oh, the fish came off?
Wait.
Oh, the fish came off?
It jumped off my hand. Right here. It's biting the rope, and I can't. This motherfucker's smart. It's biting the rope so I can grab it. I can grab this bitch now. You bit me, motherfucker. Are you filming me?
I don't even
This
know.
is fucking ridiculous. I'm just gonna put you back in the water.
My other line is directly behind the boat right now. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna check it real quick, but okay. Now this is gonna be something a little different. No weights. smell gas. I'm definitely gonna need weights.
Where's your line?
It's
I have a live fish over here, okay?
straight behind the boat. I'm gonna reel it in real quick.
Sorry, I didn't see that one.
No, that's cool. Still nothing. Not even a little fish.
You have tiny hooks?
Yeah, I got a little hook on it too. Big hook and a small hook. I want a big fish. I don't want no small fish. Oh shit. Homeboy's diving over here again.
Oh, this is a big oil slick. Looks like an oil slick over here. You see it?
That's what I'm saying. Are you sure it's not oil? I smell gas. That's a lot of oil though. This might not be such a smart idea.
How many times I've been reeling in a fish like that, like this one, and all of a sudden, like in the last 2 feet, a barracuda come in and sweep it out. They've either cut my fish in half or get hooked. All of those have happened to me.
Yo, this knife is like a razor. I'm gonna chum up the water a little bit with one sardine.
Your line is coming over to this side.
Okay. Yeah, no matter where I put it, it's gonna eventually go. Oh, okay. Yeah. Is it touching you?
I don't see yours anymore.
It's on your left side. It's no matter where I put it, it's gonna eventually drift that way. Yeah, a little bit. Let's see what I got here. Oh, I feel like it came off. Feel like it came off. Yeah, it came off. Whatever it was.
Walk a little bit to the other side.
Huh?
Shit in my pants here.
Oh. Oh.
You think, dude, if we're fighting any group, I'll be front row killing people. I feel the flip to one side a little bit and I'm shitting my pants.
need to take a leak. My bladder is killing me.
As long as you don't sprinkle me. They're around them. Make sure they're not sitting somewhere around them.
I'm just trying not to drop in the water. That's a good relief. Now stay in the boat. I was getting a lot of, like, whatever just hit was killing the pole. Like, I saw it kicking. But now
Man, this is hard.
my line is coming all the way over to the side. I think I'm hooked up to something. Not a fish though. Put it around the motor. Yeah, thanks. You can let it go now.
I think there's something on it.
Feels like something is pulling, right?
Yeah. It's stuck. Tick, tick.
Yeah.
This one did it again. We have tiny fish over here.
Yeah, let go of it.
This is scraping against the motor.
Alright, let go. Let go.
Got something?
Not, oh, I got bait. Yo, back out here again.
Truth right there. Got him on the boat. Bringing in the motherfucking porgies. How you feel today? Relax. You know, I'm just getting a tan. I look a little darker. You know how it is. You know how it is.
But it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, the pride of all that we're blessed with. And we can't get enough. No. Heaven is you set down. So we can build a playground for the sinners and for your saints. We'd be so proud of what we made.
Over here by this little spot over there. I'm coming back for you, big guy. Look at this guy. Look at him.
Crossfire.